If you could sit down and draw any custom airplane interior you wanted, what would you design? What color leather would you pick? Would you want a soft Italian grain, or maybe a durable saddle texture? What color stitching would you choose? Something conservative that blends in, or something that stands out, more unique? Would you add perforation? Well, what type? What shape? What pattern? What about seat shape? Where do you get sore on cross-country trips, and where do you need more support? Now, let's talk embroidery. I mean, you gotta have something embroidered. Maybe your business, maybe the model of your plane, maybe something custom. Now, how do these seats flow into the rest of the aircraft? I mean, what would your side panels and trim look like? Do you need those old ashtrays? Or would you rather replace those with something functional like a cup holder? Where do you want a pocket? Seriously, any type of pocket to hold anything you want. What would it look like? Where would it go? Now, what about carpet, seatbelt, headliner, hardware? What about your yokes? Now, that would be sweet. Maybe leather wrap those puppies too. Think about what your interior looks like today. Close your eyes and imagine what it could look like. Aviation Creations, imagination sewn into reality.